Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. We start with football as Switzerland are the early leaders of Group G after edging Cameroon 1-0 at the Al Yanab Stadium in today's early kickoff at the FIFA World Cup in Qatar. Incidentally, it was a Cameroonian-born Bril Embolo who separated the teams with a 48th minute strike. And two-time champions Uruguay were held to a goalless draw by South Korea in their opening Group H match at the FIFA World Cup in Qatar. The match was played at the Education Stadium today. In a game where chances came at a premium, Uruguay's Federica Valverde and Diego hit the post and crossbar respectively, as both teams walked away with a point ahead of their next group matches on Monday. In the other game from the group, Portugal and Ghana were locked at 0-0 at sports time. Meanwhile, favourites and world number one Brazil will begin their push for a record-extending sixth world title when they take on Serbia in their Group G clash today at the Lusail Stadium. This will be the third meeting between the two teams, with the South Americans winning the previous meetings 1-0 and 2-0 respectively. The last time both teams met was at the 2018 World Cup. Serbia, who are ranked at 21st in the world, are on a 6-game unbeaten run and warmed up for today's opener with a 5-1 win over Bahrain. The match is set to kick off at 2 p.m. Meanwhile, decorated European coach Jose Mourinho says that Japan's win over four-time winners Germany came as no surprise to him based on the trajectory of the sport in recent times. Japan created a stunning upset by coming from behind to beat the Germans 2-1 on Wednesday in Group E. Mourinho, who has won league titles in 4 countries, explained that ego is starting to dominate the European side.
Japan is a good team, has good players, is getting an accumulation of experience at these events. The majority of the players, they play in Europe where they develop faster and they understand better what is the high-level game. And I think the mentality of the players and the team can make also a difference. I think in this moment in European football there is a big focus on the individual, a big focus on egos.
And that's it for your midday sports report. As you heard from Jose Mourinho there, Shimela, it's back to you.